Welcome to Malaysia 20,000 years ago. Life here is tough, but I am still standing, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
I reside in Malaysia 5,000 years ago, where my community thrived along the Lush riverbank.
I am Merong Mahawangsa, son of Raja Ganji Sarjuna of Kedah. This is my new castle at Bruas in 300 CE.
I am King Rajendra Chola I of Tamilakam, who attacked Ganga Negara in 1026 CE.
I am Sheikh Abdullah Yamani, who successfully converted the king of Kedah, Maharaja Derbar Raja, to Islam in 1136 CE.
I am Parameswara, a prince from Palembang. In 1396 CE, I hereby name this place Malacca after this tree.
I am Admiral Cheng Ho from China. In 1409, I visited Malacca as the leader of the Chinese trade fleet. I am Laksamana Tuah of Malacca. I am traveling to Majapahit for a visit on behalf of the Sultan.
I am Bendahara Tun Perak of Malacca. Behind me is the Istana of Malacca.
I am Sultan Mansur Shah of Malacca, and do not trust what you see here.
I am Tun Mamat of Malacca, and on my way to meet Putri Gunung Ledang.
I am Afonso de Albuquerque of Portuguese, and on my way to conquer Malacca.
I am a Dutchman celebrating our victory over the Portuguese in 1641, achieved with the help of the Johorian Malays. I am the British who gained control of Malacca through the Anglo-Dutch Treaty in 1824, resolved disputes between the British and the Dutch.
I am James W. Birch, the British resident of Perak. Long live the Queen.
I am Dato Maharaja Lela and Sepuntum. We are here to assassinate James W. Birch, the British resident of Perak. Yeah. I am Mat Kilau of Pahang. Don't let our homeland be mortgaged by the British.
I am a Japanese commander at the Kotabaru Beach in 1941. The British Imperial should be out of Asia.
I am Lieutenant Adnan at Bukit Chandu in 1942. Better to die with honor than live in shame.
British Army surrendered Singapore to the Japanese Army in 1942. It is the worst disaster and largest capitulation in British history.
Tapioca became a Malayan staple during the Japanese occupation when rice distribution was disrupted. Malaya belongs to the Malays. Reject the Malayan Union. Long live the Malays. Long live the king. From the Malayan Communist Party in 1950, we fought to win independence for Malaya from the British and to establish a communist state. Today, 31st August 1957, is Independence Day for Malaysia. Good year has come to us.